In this video, I show you how to confirm your identity to send message problem on Messenger. For fixing this problem, open your Messenger app, click on menu. Now click on settings, scroll down, then click on show more, then click on see more in account center. Click on your information and permission, then click on identity confirmation, click on it, then click on confirm your identity. After clicking here, you can see a face verify identification option. I already verify this, that's why I cannot see this information. After getting your selfie verification, then it's fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.